Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a new version of Firefox. We have Firefox 137 that is rolling out starting today, April 1st. And if you go into the upper right corner of your browser in the hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox, you will be moved to 137.0. There's a few new features in here that are rolling out, so you're not, maybe you won't see them yet. I don't see them here. They are available within the optional settings or experimental settings if you really wish to turn them on. But if not, they will show up at some point during the next weeks. One of them is the new tab groups, where you will be able to group several tabs together. This feature actually exists already in Edge. So if you do this in Edge, you can add a new tab group, and then you can add it as a specific color and so on. These are features that actually already exist within Edge. So it's the same type of feature, but running out to Firefox. And you'll be able to open a whole tab group or close a whole tab group together and things like that. So it's rolling out. And as I said, it can be actually turned on with the optional menus. There's another feature running out, is that when you start doing searches in the address bar, several actions can now happen. It can maybe suggest something to you. For example, you're searching for a subject. It might come up and say, are you sure you're not searching for this subject? Maybe it looks like you might be looking for this. Other things like, and it happens often, people are always surprised. I've seen it so many times as a tech guy. People go and want to search for Google. And so now it's going to say, well, you can add Google to the browser. If you don't want to search Google all the time, it's going to be here. You won't have to ask for it. And of course, that is valid for not just Google. It's valid for other search engines also. So there's all sorts of things like that are weird. That are weird. That is weird, but that's the way it is. That will happen, and suggestions will actually pop up for you. Now, if you're not interested in any of those new features in Firefox, at least update for the security. Security updates. There's 10 security flaws within Firefox 137. Several of them are high severity. And so that means that to stay safe, you better move on to 137.0 to make sure that all the security flaws are fixed. This is really what keeps you safe, especially it's a browser. It's, you go on the internet with it. So you want to make sure that there's no security holes. So Firefox 137 is now available today, April 1st, 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.